Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you, welcome to Makeup for Lost Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be doing a look. I'm going to do my makeup like a firecracker. So this is the look, and if you guys want to know how I did it, then just keep watching. Happy 4th of July. I'm going to be uploading this on the 4th of July. Don't know what it's going to look like for social distancing and whatnot. So hopefully I'll be able to keep you guys a little bit of company and do a look that's like of fucking some interest to somebody. And yeah, so I'll just get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with my JH40, my little tiny brush, and I'm going to go into the color Inferno, this red right here, and I'm just going to start packing that into the outer V and then dragging it through my crease. Not going to do a lot of blending right now. I'm just going to pack this on here. And actually, I'm not actually dragging it through the crease. I'm actually building it above my crease. And I'm taking it all the way down. This is the best red, in my humble opinion. I don't know, that red in the Love Tapes palette was pretty impressive. I need to play with that palette a little bit more. And just so gently, I'm just going along the edge and just barely blending it out. Okay, and now I'm going to use a Voldemorphe M506, and I'm going to go into the color Lit, this orange. And I'm just taking this and placing it 50% on that red and 50% off. And blending the outer edge so that there's not as harsh of a line. And then with my Zoeva 227, I'm going to go into this yellow Keen, and I'm just going to start blending that orange. And up to the brow. I swear there is nothing that a little yellow around the outside won't turn to magic. How's that look, guys? It's funny, when I first started my channel and I first would sit down to film, I felt like so weird and uncomfortable sitting here talking to myself. And now it's like I've like formed these like small like little relationships with like a few of my subscribers who always like show up in the comments and like really encourage me and like participate in the comments, and the comments are so important. But anyways, when I film videos now, I actually am like talking to you guys. Like I'm talking to the people who I know are there, the people who I know are there. Like I have a lot of subscribers and I don't know who they are because I don't talk to them in the comments. So if you're out there and you're watching, like talk to me in the comments so that I know that you're there. And then when I'm sitting here, like there's so many of my subscribers that like I actually think of them when I'm doing looks, or I even go so far as to say I'm doing a look so that one of my subscribers who I talk to all the time in the comments like sees it so that I can actually like have a conversation with them about it. I'm just kind of leaving this inner corner a little more dramatic and then really trying to get this blend out here on the outside. I'm drinking a cherry vanilla Coke from Burger King, or from Wendy's. I fucking love cherry vanilla Coke, dude. I don't like buy one every day, but I'll drink the shit out of one. Pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna... Should I go back in? I mean, I don't really need to. I might just go in with a little bit more of the red. Little bit more of the orange. And then just, with no additional product, go back over it with my Zoeva 227 and just kind of give it a little sweepy poo. I'm going to use my pencil brush Morphe JH39, go into Inferno, the red. This is like the easiest look of all time. I did it at school yesterday in like 20 minutes and everybody was like, dude, your makeup. If you follow the color wheel out, from whatever, from blue, green, yellow, red, orange, yellow, it's like, you can't go wrong. It's like the fucking easiest. I'm just going to use these same brushes, I guess. Maybe not. Maybe. I'm going to kind of just... Then I'm going to go in with this Morphe M506. With the orange lit. You kind of want this to be a little dramatic too, so take it down a little bit far because it's like a festive. Like, I mean, I would wear this anywhere. I wouldn't care. But just saying, when it's an occasion, if you're the kind of person who likes to wear their makeup a little more safe or conservative or not so blown out, like for occasions, wearing it a little bit blown out is appropriate. Because if you don't, then your makeup just looks how it looks every day. Just gonna take that brush that I used with the orange and kind of... I'm gonna use my Kaleidos S4. It's this flat brush. And I'm gonna apply my NYX glitter primer with that. And then with my Zoeva 234, I'm going to go into this color Fortune. And I'm going to put that all over me lid. I'm going to spray this so I don't get a bunch of fallout. Fucking beautiful. Shoot. And with my Morphe JH, whatever the fuck it was, I'm just going to use that to blend this out here. And then with that Zoeva 234, just give this a little tappy poo. Can you guys still see me? No? I'm like... I'm going to use my rougher 03, little tiny, and I'm going to dip into that gold Fortune and... I'm gonna use this AOA E134, and I'm gonna use that to take this gold. Is this gonna work? I'm going to take this Ref 03 and clean it off with my color switch. And then I'm going to go into this highlighter, Fair Play. And if it doesn't do what I want it to do, then I'm going to use something else. But I think it will if I spray it. Yeah, it is. Beautiful. And then with my Zoeva 227. I'm going to go finish this up and I'll be back when I'm done. You guys know. So this is me dressed like a firecracker. I use my Milk Makeup Star tattoo stamp and my Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss in Fluorescent Cherry. And my LA Girl Neon Shockwave Liner in Screamin'. And my, just kidding. And my Black Moon Cosmetics eye wigs in those ones that are like, really, I can't believe they've made it this long. So anyways, this is the finished look. This is how I look like a firecracker. You guys saw how easy it was to go from that red, orange, yellow transition. Super pretty, super easy, quick. Any of you who have the Carnival XL Pro palette, that fucking color Fortune is something else. It's so good and so blinding. I use my Nomad Cosmetics Studio 54 highlighter and the orange one. And honestly, I'm not a huge fan of these highlighters. I don't know, they're not like, it's more like splashing some shimmer on. So, yeah, I'm not in love with them. But anyways, this is the look, and I hope you guys love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see every time I upload. Give this video a like if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality and my boyish charm. So hang out with me in the comments and let me know what you think. Let me know how your 4th of July is going, and also let me know what you think about the themed look thing. You guys could have been anywhere, but you were here with me on the 4th of July. Thanks for spending your valuable time with me. You could have been anywhere.